3-axis gimbal GPS aerial drone. Operating instructions. Spread the drone's wings. Separate the front and the back into the battery. Hold down the position shown in the bottom and pull it back to take out the battery. UAV frequency and gimbal calibration. Put the drone on the horizontal ground and turn on the power. At this time the lights on the aircraft flashes quickly. Then push up the left joystick of the remote control and pull down. The front and back lights on the UAV will change from slow flashing before and after to alternate slow flashing, indicating that the pairing is successful. Geomagnetic calibration operation. Press the remote control top right corner button for 3 seconds and the drone light will change from slow to fast flashing. Then you can calibrate it. Rotate the aircraft clockwise in the air. When you hear a beep, upside down, turn clockwise again. The lights of the aircraft become steady on. Complete the correction. Euro calibration. Place the aircraft on level ground. Press the remote control gyroscope calibration button. The aircraft light flashes quickly and becomes steady. The calibration is complete. Search for GPS signals. Put the UAV in a horizontal position for about 30 seconds. The green indicator light in front of the aircraft changes from slow flash to constant light. The satellites on the remote control display more than 8 satellites. At this time, press and hold the unlock button of the remote controller lower right button to fly. Manipulation method. Remote control left rocker control. Up, down, left, right turn. Right rocker controls forward, backward, left fly, right fly. Camera angle adjustment. Through the camera adjustment knob during UAV flight. Knob right turn camera angle decreases. Knob left turn camera angle increases. 3-axis ESC anti-shake gimbal display. One press for return. Press this function button on the remote control top left corner. It will automatically rise or fall to a height of 50 meters. Return straight and land to the takeoff location. App operation demo. Scanning corresponding system QR code. Download the app. Connect the Wi-Fi from the drone. After the Wi-Fi connection is successful, open the drone app. Drone mobile phone app joystick operation consistent with the remote control. AI Smart Follow. Click Smart Follow on app. There are various following modes to choose. GPS Smart Follow, the drone will follow the signal. Indoor flight. When you need to fly indoors, long press GPS for 3 seconds. Turn off GPS mode, switch indoor mode, the aircraft can fly normally. Obstacle avoidance function. Take out the cover for the installation position of the obstacle avoidance equipment, insert the obstacle avoidance. The obstacle avoidance equipment will rotate left and right when it is running. Do not manually interfere with it to prevent it from rotating when it is rotating, otherwise the equipment may be damaged. Instructions for charging drone lithium battery. When charging, the red light on the Android plug on the battery is on, and the red light is off and the green light is on when it is fully charged. When charging, the charging indicator lights up, and the indicator lights out after full charging. The aerial video show.